Hi guys, this is Gardening with Deb. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time, but I'm back and we're going to make a container garden today to put out in the yard. So I have my burrow here, and this soil is actually from a previous container garden. And so what I'm going to do is amend with some of this peat moss. I'm going to amend the soil and mix it in with my hands a little bit, just to give the soil a little boost. And what we're going to do is start with the center of this burrow, and we're going to put our focal plant, which is a red star cordyline. So we're going to put that in the middle. This is an annual, and it needs full sun. So we're going to stick that right in the middle. I always try to break up the root ball a little bit, just so it can, because sometimes when they're in those containers for a long time, it's really compacted. So we're going to put that right in the middle. And of course, this is going to get really big. So next we have these beautiful tropical, it's called Tropical Escape Mandevilla. And these are beautiful. They come in a different array of colors. You can get red, white, this pink, and it's a tropical plant. And as you can see, this one's kind of dry, so I'm going to break up the roots a little bit, and we're going to put one on either side of this guy right here. So I'm going to dig a hole and put this one down in here. And this potting mix is what you have to use. It's so, if you can see, it's not real hard like garden soil. It's really easy to and pliable, so you can really get through it with your garden tools. So we're going to put another one here. Now my daughter and I, and priced some of these pots. These pots like this. Now this particular pot is very big. This burrow is a big burrow. We've seen burrows that were not as big as this, and they were running $60. And they didn't have as many plants that we're going to put in here. So this is a cheaper way to get you the same look and less than $60. This is called Golden Money Wort, and this is also a perennial. And you can leave it in the pot, let it just die out, or you can just put it in the ground. When you put perennials in pots, they don't tend to come back because the root systems are much better when they're in the ground. So this could possibly come back, but I would bet that it wouldn't come back. So if you want to keep it for next growing season, I would probably just stick it in the ground and let it overwinter that way. So this is a golden money wort. We're going to put one of these on either side, and it's going to vine out. And what I really like too is all the different colors. This is so pretty. Here we have our second gold money wort, and we're going to put it on this side. And last but not least, we have Dusty Miller. And this is an annual. And we're going to put him right here. I'm just using my hands to just dig down because this potting mix is so soft and fluffy. So we'll put him there and go on the opposite side. And put another one right here. Now these plants are going to get really big, and they're going to fill up the pot. You probably won't even see the soil that much at all because they're going to continue to grow. And there you have it. Here is our container garden for the summer with all these pretty perennials and annuals. And you can go to the big box stores and buy it already made for like $60 on up, or you can go and buy your own flowers. It's cheaper, and if you have a big pot that you like, you can even spray paint the pot any color you want, and you can make your own for way less than $60. So last, we're gonna feed our flowers with some fish emulsion. This is a liquid fertilizer. I already have water in the container, so I'm gonna put a little bit in there. And this stuff really has a smell, so be careful when pouring it because it actually has a bad smell, but it's very good for your plants. And so we're gonna water. And in container gardens, you need to water them often because they don't have a root system like plants that are in the ground. And when the sun's out, they dry up very quickly. Sometimes you have to water them more than once, so keep that in mind. You can't water these guys, you just go and forget about them. So you need to check your soil periodically, and sometimes even twice a day. If it's a really hot day, you can water in the morning, and by evening, the pot is dry again. So remember that. You don't want to waste all of your valuable money making a beautiful container to have it die because you're not watering it enough. It's been 2 months since we planted this planter, and as you can see, our plants have grown considerably larger and they're vining out over the planter. And so this is the look that you can do yourself. Buy your plants, get a container of your choice. You don't have to spend $75, $100 for a big planter. You can just buy your plants and you can plant them small, and this will be the end result. You'll have a beautiful planter in a couple months, 8 weeks or less, you'll have something like this. This is Gardening with Deb. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.